Across the globe, environmental issues dominate today's headlines. In response, nations, companies, and everyday people are changing the way we do things to help preserve and protect our world for the future. I'm Terry Bradshaw. Whether it's cleaner air, sustainable development, or energy efficiency, join me as we span the globe to bring you the stories that truly matter. Welcome to the Environmental Report.
While the colder months can be a blast, keeping warm indoors can be costly to our wallets, our health, and the environment. Radiant heating, which has been used in Europe and Asia for centuries, offers an attractive alternative.
Radiant heating works very differently from traditional heating sources. First, it uses the mass of the floor to store the heat and redistribute it to the objects and the people in the room. The best way to think about it is think of a cool spring day. If you're standing in the sun, you feel warm, you feel the radiant heat from the sun. Move 2 feet aside in the shade and you feel cold. That's how radiant heat works.
Flextherm specializes in the design, manufacturing, and sale of in-floor heating systems.
Flextherm was founded by Philippe Charon in Longueuil, Quebec in 1991. With the creation of the Pro Series cable, we became the first company to develop surface-type electric floor heating systems for multiple applications. The product received the Canadian Standards Association certification within 9 months. We're known in the industry for our innovative products, and our R&D department is always looking for ways to improve existing products as well as develop new ones.
It is here at its production facility in Longueuil that all of Flextherm's products are manufactured.
We take the raw materials such as copper and plastic. It goes through the process, the extrusion. The cables are made, and then they're assembled, and then they're packaged, and they're kept waiting to be shipped.
From new construction jobs to renovation projects, more and more builders and homeowners in North America are discovering the benefits of these innovative systems.
Floor heating systems offer a comfort that's unmatched by other heating systems. They're affordable and they can save up to 28% in energy. They're safe because they're free of electromagnetic fields, and they promote indoor air quality because they don't spread dust or germs. They're compatible with most floor coverings, and since they're embedded in an oxygen-free environment, they can't cause a fire.
The only visible component of the system is the thermostat.
Electric radiant heating systems are gaining in popularity as people learn of the advantages of electric versus the traditional method of floor heating systems, which is hydronic. Hydronics rely on a system of plastic or metal tubes laid in the floor around the home to deliver hot water to the different zones around the house. They require a boiler room as well as annual maintenance, whereas electric systems, there's no maintenance required and no need for a boiler room.
Electrical radiant heating systems can be installed in a variety of rooms, from kitchens and bathrooms to living rooms, offices, and basements. In most cases, they can be used as a primary source of heat. Depending on the job, there are different Flextherm product options.
Flextherm has 3 main product lines. First off, for new construction, there's the green cable concrete that goes directly in the slab to maximize the mass as a heat reservoir. Then there's the green cable surface, which is perfect both for new constructions and renovation projects as it goes on top of an existing subfloor. And the loose cable gives you all the flexibility you need to get into every nook and cranny, especially for kitchens and bathrooms, which are usually more complicated rooms. Finally, there's the green cable mat, which is more appropriate for square rectangular rooms. Most of our products, the green cable concrete and green cable surface, are compatible with most floor coverings, and the mat is compatible with ceramic and natural stone floor coverings.
The new Flex Snap installation has several advantages. At this residence, the Flextherm system is being installed in the basement. Palmer says when you draw your inspiration from nature, such as the heat from the sun warming the earth, you can't help but get great results.
The feedback we're getting from consumers is great. People don't usually talk about their heating systems, but as soon as they get an electric floor heating system, they rave about it. They talk about the comfort, they talk about the energy savings. Another point they really appreciate is the design flexibility. Since there are no apparent pieces to the system, you're free to put furniture wherever you want.